Hey, what's up everyone? This is Robert from Fishing the South Okanagan. Today I am going to do a video and show you how to replace your ice fishing auger blades. Now, recently with mine, I've actually put mine into the ground trying to find the ice depth of this season, and that was pretty dumb of myself, I'll admit that. So went out and got myself a auger blades from my local store of Canadian Tire here in Canada. I went and chose the Rapala blades, this one right here, and they are the toothed ones. Here, I'll show you in a minute. I've already changed the blades, but I'll go through it again and make sure that you know what I have. So those ones right there are the blades that I chosen to try out. Now the ones that came with the auger itself were these ones here. They were great. They did the job very well. I was very impressed, and I had no problems with them whatsoever until I did that silly little thing doing an ice check when it was a little shallower than I expected. So basically with these here, you can do the two. You can either get these ones here. Now I have the 8-inch. I forgot to mention I have the 8-inch auger, and so you make sure you check on the label and do your homework of finding out which blades belong to which. Thankfully enough, I did my homework, and this one here is the 8-inch. So with these ones here, took them off, and you'll be needing a, let's see here, 5/16 socket. If you can, try to find a smaller socket wrench. This was a little difficult to get it in some of the nook and crannies, or even use a crescent wrench if you have it. I was just easy enough to, since this was laying around, and figured to go ahead and grab it. So go and take one thing, since these are super sharp, I highly recommend putting the guard on, just so it doesn't slip and rip your jeans and cut your skin. Like so. Put it on your lap and take them off. Now I've already loosened the bolts on this, so it's easy just to do by fingers. I'll tighten it up when I'm done. But I figured, you know, I was checking the content on YouTube, and they do have some of the stuff that needed, but not really much that you see for the manual auger. And I found that kind of disheartening, because, you know, you're trying to find what you need to do, and there's not much content to go with it. Like, there's the Strike Master, there's this and that, but there's not really much of changing the blades on an actual manual auger. Now, I highly recommend, before you start on your blades, and don't take both of them off. Do one at a time. Then that way you can understand which way the blades go. I did the foolish thing of not taking the picture. Went on Google and found something of the resort to actually put the blades on properly. So I highly recommend, you know, doing one at a time, or take a picture yourself on your smartphone. Then you have a reference to go by. Okay, so this here, so you always want to have, I've already taken, as I mentioned, the bolt off already. Oof, that hurt. So as you can see right here, you want the smaller end down at the bottom in the middle, and you want the wider end, because that will give you your circumference of an actual ice hole. So as I mentioned, I have that one already gone, this one already in. I already have this one installed, so it's ready to go. I figured, you know, have this for you guys to go by And so you're not in the same boat as I was trying to figure out which way the blades go. Okay, and you can also use the bolts that are already installed with the old blades with your new ones. They do come with the bolts already, so if you want, you can change them to these ones, or you can use the ones that are already installed. It's totally up to you. Okay, so let's thread this back on. Okay, they're all hand tightened. Okay, so here I'll give you a quick overview of what's going on. So as you can see, you have the flat surface here, and down below you have the 45-degree angle to use your cutting of your ice. There we go. So once you have all the screws in and hand tightened, grab your wrench again and just tighten. Make sure you have the right direction, or else you'll be going for days trying to figure out why is it not working. In which I just did that. Lesson learned. Okay, so there's one. Now it's a little tricky with this other one because I have a big socket head on this. Oh. So you want to be careful to get this in. There we go. Always remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. There's one. On to the next one. And there we go. Hope you guys liked the last video. It's been a while. I've been a long hiatus of doing videos, but I'm going to get back into the routine a little bit and give you some more content as the season goes through and such. And hopefully it's what you're looking for in my videos that keeps having you coming back. Okay, it is on, and put the cover back on properly. And there you go. There, all set, good to go. And I'll be going out on January 1st of the new year to one of the lakes here in the South Okanagan, do some trout fishing. Looking forward to it. So thank you again for watching. Please like the video, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you on the ice. Have a good one. See ya.